Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard embedded system, which runs, as you can see, Ubuntu Linux. And this time the monitor is quite working, but it will cease to do that because there is no mouse and monitor attached. No problem, because I'm using VNC virtual network computing, so I can see everything on an attached laptop. The BeagleBoard itself is right there, and it is controlling via USB the global interface right here, which connects with this fischertechnik roller track, and of course also USB hub with network interface. So without the network interface I would not be able to use VNC. Programmed in Python. The idea is that I put a marble or bullet here, and then here I can change the course either this way or that way, and here it has a problem. And last time I added this upside down conveyor belt, which does not do what I intended. So balls stay here or balls end up right here. Anyway, that is the focus this time. How to get it working. So let's see how it develops. So the virtual desktop right here, diagnostics interface, Python code, and the terminal in which I run the Python code. And this is the Minicom terminal, which is necessary, just like the monitor I showed you, for starting everything up. And this is obviously the camera, now handheld, that shows everything. And this is the focus. So let's see how this works out again. Starting the software, and I have sped this up, and there some things come, and I notice things are not exactly the way they should, and then I mean this part. So I need to make sure that this is not obstructed in any way. But that doesn't take away that now are too many bullets which are giving a big problem. So what I have to do now to stop and rearrange all the balls. So this one is going there, and all the other ones, well, the same way. So the big question is, why does this happen now? This is not the intention, of course. Right, I keep this speed to give them the balls a nice speed this way, but I think that this is obstructing anyway, this curve, but we'll see. because if this turns out to be the culprit, then it has no use for me to build a same conveyor belt here, if possible, because I have now 4 motors, no extension, so that means that I could put a motor onto the same same output as this motor. That is possible. Anyway, let's run it again. And yeah. Again, bullets not entirely going the way they are intended. Like here. Yeah, that is not the way it's supposed to be. And no, there's supposed to be, and another bullet ends up here. And there. And another bullet ends up right there. So this particularly has gone wrong. Whatever is going on, I don't know, but it is not good. And another one ends up here. So let's help it a bit. And now I have several bullets waiting in queue. And here another one. Okay, 2 bullets. And no bullets left. And so yes, they are helped that way. But that's all there is. So is this a good idea? Well, the idea is good, but working out not much. So what to do? Good question. So with another motor, a very small one, and another inverted or upside down conveyor belt, which could be right here, might be right here, and that could help the balls or the bullets further. So if I have it here and then completely wired and running in the same speed as this one, it might just help. So let's get it mounted and wired and see whatever happens. Construction will be a challenge because where to put this motor. It can't be here, although that would be wiring wise best. And putting the motor here gives another challenge, although I could mount it somehow here in some way. And it's best to put the conveyor belt here. Let's see. Alright, and as you can see, I have put a second upside down conveyor belt, which look like this. So motor is mounted on here, and here the axle is on the outside. I may replace it by a shorter one. No, it's not wired yet, as you can see, but this is the idea. And it just might work. The only thing is how to wire it. Well, I think I should of course wire it to this motor, which is much shorter than to the interface, which is right over there. So that's quite the distance. This much smaller, way better. So let me see if I can do that and then test everything. Who knows? As you can see, it has been wired now between the two motors, and I also adjusted the schematics. Motor 1 and 2, motor with short chain with magnets, and now motor 5 with a conveyor belt as well, and completely parallel, so it should also run the same way, unless I've made a thinking mistake with this direction. In that case, if it goes this way, I have to reverse the wires. So let's see how this works out. And yes, I have to reverse it. I have to reverse the wires. Let's see how I can do that without reversing the wires, if that is possible anyway. Oh, is this just long enough or too far away? Let's just see. That is absolutely critical in length. So this is a rather tight now, but it still might work. Yeah, doesn't work. We'll just see. And there are a few bullets who left the whole trajectory by my mistake. So let's put everything in the right order. Oh, that is not going right. I have to assist. But here I have a problem. The balls are not picked up properly, and it goes off the gears. So this is not working. The idea is nice, but this has to be improved. I suspect that I have to improve to increase the length a little bit, and that's going to be tough with the wiring. So if I do it like this, it might help, but now I have a problem with this, and I will just replace this wire. Here I will have to put another clamp, which I have here as well, so a clamp like this will have to be here as well, and then things could be working. Who knows? Alright, I changed a little bit construction here, and the wiring, as I said, right here. So now this has enough length, this runs smoother, but still this is a problem point. So let's run it again. It runs quite fast, but this is still there. And also because of the speed, this tends to go somewhere else, so I need to connect these 2 points. Now let's see how this works out. Simply said, it doesn't work out. And now it does work out as long as there are more than one bullet, or even two bullets. And then you see that that bullet is being pushed away. So let's wait for another bullet. There it comes. And that's bullet number 3, which pulls, and there it goes. Here I have to help a bullet. But this is not the way it should happen. Although, yeah, okay, it does work. Kind of. So, with this little thing demonstrated, 5 motors, 2 parallel, no, not exactly parallel even, no. Let me fix that, because this is not true anymore. Although these motors are, yeah, they have only one wire, so in effect they're parallel, but they're inverted parallel. Anyway, not too important. This works, kind of. And let's keep it this way for now. And with this, yet another reconstruction, I say thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. And you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please show support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and with my videos. More information also with my other projects, please see under this video or in the next short segment. For now, have a nice day. This is to be continued, and bye bye.